Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Saad Javed and I am going to tell you and explain you about the latest technology, that is nanotechnology. My group members are Muhammad Umar and myself Saad Javed. Nanotechnology may be defined as engineering of functional systems at the molecular scale. Generically, we mean the building with the assistance of smallest particle and producing complete high-performance products. Eric Drexel in 1980s for the first time highlighted this term nanotechnology. Then about after 10 years, the US National Nanotechnology Initiative was created to fund this technology. Its definition includes everything below 100 nanometers. The sense of making things from the bottom up was first envisioned by Richard Feynman in 1959, so he can be considered as the founder of the nanotechnology. Four generations were described by me here. First one about passive nanostructures to perform one task. Second phase is about active structures to perform multitasking. And third generation, which still has to arrive, will feature nanosystems with different attractive and interactive components. And the fourth generation seems to be the ultimate phase of nanotechnology. Here is a graphical representation with time period and examples regarding four generations. We may hope to enter the era system of nanosystems shortly, that is third generation. After the arrival of all four generations, technology will achieve its motto, that is molecular manufacturing. And precisely we may say that nanotechnology is all about the engineering of functional systems at the molecular scale.
General purpose technology. Yes, it can be considered as a general purpose technology, like it is sometimes referred to as general purpose because in advanced form it will have significant impact on almost all industries and all areas of society. It will offer better build, longer lasting, cleaner, safer and smarter products. Let's imagine a medical device that travels through the human body to seek out and destroy small clusters of cancerous cells before they can spread or grow up. Dual use technology. US Senator Biden once said, "My own judgment is that the nanotechnology revolution has the potential to change America on a scale equal to, if not greater than, the computer revolution." From this you may consider that the words of Senator Ron Biden, that how much important is that nanotechnology, and it may have benefits and likewise there may be some risks as well.
It is said to be an exponential technology because of its ability to produce high quality products at low cost and its ability to reproduce its own means of reproduction. It is a technology with a revolution, and there is no doubt about that.
Now we will discuss some applications of nanoscience. How might nanoscale science and engineering improve our lives? Let us see.
Major impacts include materials, healthcare, technology, and environment, which are further subcategorized. Now you can observe these figures. In first figure, thin layers of gold are used in medical devices. And in the second figure, carbon nanotubes can be used for hydrogen fuel storage. And in the third figure, you may observe the possible entry point for this device. Cushion of air is created about fabric, and such clothes are produced which are almost strain resistant. As you know, a strain is a discoloration that can be clearly distinguished from the surface, material or medium it is found upon. Now in first figure you may observe the pants that refuse to stain, and in the second figure is very interesting. The very hard stains are just removed and wiped off with wet paper towel.
As you can see, by using nanotechnology we can prepare a protective paint very good for cars due to their following properties: water and dirt repellent, resistant to chipping and scratches, brighter colors, enhanced gloss. In the future could change color and self-repair. Let us find out this answer.
Now let us take under consideration the environmental consequences and significance of nanotechnology. The paint that cleans air. Yes, we may think about that. Air purifying buildings can be constructed with the help of nanotechnology. Actually, when this paint is exposed to ultraviolet light, titanium dioxide nanoparticles in paint break down organic and inorganic pollutants that wash off in the rain, and thus the pollution is reduced.
As you know that as solar energy is one of the most reliable and cheapest source of energy, we can use it well by this technology and make it more even cheaper and more effective one. This technology is also effective on CDs and DVDs. A DVD that could store 1,000,000 movies and a very much amount of data greater than the normal CDs by normal technology. Current CD and DVD media have storage scale in micrometers. New nanomedia has a storage scale in nanometers that is 1,000 times more storage along with each dimension.
As it is illustrated from the figure that so much density and capacity of storage is increased. If you observe the first figure that is under the label of CD, you may observe that there are large gaps and large distances. That is not too much good density. In the next figure, in DVD, that is comparatively better. But if you observe the last one, you can clearly see the difference, that how the density is increased so much. Well, that was all from my side. Now I will invite my next group member, Muhammad Umar, to please further elaborate.
I am Muhammad Umar. I will discuss advantage of nanotechnology and disadvantages as well. With the help of nanotechnology, we can build smaller devices and chips. In the field of health, very useful advantage of nanotechnology: nerve tissues talking to computers, neuroelectron network interface nerve cell with semiconductors, application in brain research, biosensors, etc.
Nerve tissues: snail neuron grown on a chip that records the neuron's activity. Healthcare: detecting disease earlier, quantum dots glow in ultraviolet injected in mice collect the tumors could locate as few as 10 to 100 cancer cells. As you can see, earlier tumor detecting studies in mice.
Nanofibers help heart muscle grow in lab. Filaments instruct muscles to in orderly way, not in random direction. Cardiac tissues also grows with the help of nanofiber filaments. Nanocoating prevents us from viruses. Nanotechnology also used to repair to the body, as to break apart kidney stones, clear plaque from blood vessel, and ferry drugs to tumor cell. How delicate are nanoscale size objects, and how well do we understand environmental and health impacts of nano-sized cluster of particles? Know some disadvantages of nanotechnology. Because nano devices are sensitive, radiation particles can cause fatal defects, and it requires very clean environment. Pit created by nuclear radiation hitting a mica surface. Nanoparticles could be inhaled, swallowed, or absorbed through skin. They can also affect immune system. Environmental issues. Nanoparticles could accumulate in soil, water, and plant. Additional filters are too big to catch them. It integrates chemistry, physics, biology, material engineering, earth science, and computer science. The power to collect data and manipulate particles at such a tiny scale will lead to new areas of research, better understanding, new ways to tackle problem of healthcare, energy, and environment. There are many potential benefits of nanotechnology. Most prominent benefits would be in manufacturing, medicine, and in environment. There are some potential dangers also. Weapons, rampant nanomachines, and surveillance. It would be difficult to deny the potential benefit of nanotechnology and stop development of research related to it, since it has already begun to penetrate many different fields of research. However, nanotechnology can be developed using guidelines to ensure that technology does not become too potentially harmful. There are references. Thank you very much.